high, and extreme. So yeah. Moderate to high, moderate to high. Oh! EAS alert.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 753, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 753 has been issued from 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WTF originating from the night.
Wow. That was really unexpected. Wow.